Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss this pattern. So let's get start. So go to ideally. So see here, number of rows 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, actually 8, but 0 to 7. Okay, the number of rows are 8. Okay, and number of columns are 4. So let's put this first. For row in range of 8. Okay, then for column in range of 4, then some conditions. See here, if column is 0 1 2 3, column is 3, and for this is 8th 7th column, this is 7th row. Okay, so let's code this. If column is equals to 3, or row is equals to row is equals to 7. Okay, then print we want to print star is equals to else we want to print space. After each column we have to print a new line, then save this. For this is for G. Okay, then run this model. Okay, Control S. Yeah, it's printing properly. Then see here, for this 2 star we have to put some conditions. So if column is equals to 0, okay, if column is equals to 0 and row is equals to, this is 8th, this is 7th column, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, this is 6, this is 5 6 7. Okay, column 0, if column is equals to 0 and row in range of start from 5 to 6, then we have to write 7. Okay, because range is -1. What is this? I have to write here, or then Control S, then run this model. REO is not defined. Okay, so then run this model. Yeah, it's printing. So again you have to see this. Yeah, perfectly it's printing. So guys, I hope you understand. If you learn something from this video, then guys, like, share and subscribe this channel and press the bell icon, because I'm making more videos on this kind of, which is mostly asked in interview. So thank you for guys watching this video, and again I have to request you, please like, share and subscribe this channel and video also. Thank you.